Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, red color, green color, brown color, black color, and blue color. So kids, now I draw alphabets, and first we draw A and use yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. So kids, now I draw J and use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now I draw R and use green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. So kids, now I draw numbers and use brown color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.